Lately I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's...
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I wanted to do a really quick video today. I have a really quick unboxing that I wanted to get out to you today. So I did receive a couple of items from Coach Outlet today, and I just wanted to unbox it with you on camera. This item actually sold out, and I was so happy that it came back in stock. I should have got it the first time, but I'm glad I waited because I like the silver hardware on this bag. So you can probably already see what it is. It is the animal print rolling. And as you can see, it comes with the leopard print in the front, and on the side it has the dark brown signature print. That's what really made me veer towards this bag, because I know the older model was all leopard. So I like the contrast of the animal print and the dark signature. Also, I like the black trim with the yellow stitching. It makes it look a little more expensive and luxury. I love the color of the straps, the handles, and the strap. I love that trim. The Coach tag is cute, has that same like burgundy looking trim. That is so cute. So this is probably what I'll be switching into. Well, I am switching into it, but I'm gonna do a totally different video because I'm going to put in some new like carry-alls and accessories for the inside of it. So I'll do that in a separate video. Like I said, this is just the unboxing. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. It's very pretty in person. That's the back. It has no pocket in the back. And this is the price tag, which of course it had the 25% off. So I think I paid like $105 for it. So this is the leopard signature rolling. Cute. Then I have another item. So you know I gotta have like a catch-all. So I did get the matching Lolita. I'm just gonna take it out the package. Yeah, so I got the matching Lolita as well. It's the leopard and the dark signature with the black strap, maroon trim, cute black Coach tag with the same maroon trim, and of course, you know, the Lolita doesn't have the back pocket. And this is the Lolita with the leather strap. Super cute. I'm so glad I made this purchase. And I also received, because this was they had a little sale going on where you got a free gift when you spent $150. So I'll unbox my gift, and I already have one of these, so now I got two because I really needed another one. but it's also the matching jewelry box. And this one is the leopard all the way around. It doesn't have the signature. So I got this for free with this purchase. So that is all for this video. If you guys want to see how I am going to pack this bag, I will do a video on that soon, because I am going to switch into this bag. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.